Are you looking for amazing deals on home and kitchen appliances during the Amazon Great Indian Festival with an extra 10% instant discount on SBI cards? Don't forget to click the links in the description to check out these amazing deals before the sale ends. Now let's get started. Now you're looking for the best bagless vacuum cleaner via this Amazon Great Indian sale? You're in the right. Let's check out some awesome deals on 4 top vacuum cleaners. First up, we have the Philips vacuum cleaner पर ओवर है तो for this sale, it was 8,897 rupees. Now, abhi ka raat ke bhi were just 7,499 rupees. You pay 1,398 rupees. Hamari great choice for solid performance ka bhi. Next, we got the Eureka Forbes one ki. Ek hi koi bhikan to ke paas 6,304 rupees, but now it's just 4,999 rupees. You're off 1,305 rupees. A perfect budget option. Then we had the AGARO vacuum cleaner, priced at 6,012 rupees before profit debt. Now it's available for 5,499 rupees. Save 513 rupees and get a strong durable machine. Lastly, the INALSA vacuum cleaner. It was 6,126 rupees before, but now it's just 5,995 rupees. You save 131 rupees on this powerful model. These offers wouldn't last long. Click the links in the description and grab your vacuum cleaner now. Enjoy the sale and happy shopping.
We have compared the top models, highlighting the best and worst based on customer reviews. Watch our full video in the link below for easy decision making.